सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनि पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार। Welcome to 244th class today. Since the past 1 week we've been studying the passive construction in Sanskrit. Karmani Prayoga is being studied in depth and several exercises have been added here. The book is giving lot many exercises with a view maybe to familiarize more the beginners, because Sanskrit is known for Karmani Prayoga. Lot many things are said in Karmani Prayoga. So that is the purpose here. And we did yesterday up to Abhyasa 194. Srinivas, today I think 450 page, 195. We'll straight go to the book. And Adholikitan Moola Shabdan Ashritya Yathodaharanam Karmani Ekavachane Vakyani Rachayata. Now you are supposed to make sentences in the passive construction, singular, passive singular on the basis of the words given as shown in the example 1. Example not numbered here. Bala, Sloka, Pata. Okay, only Pratipadikas are given here. The Moola Shabdas. Bala, Sloka, Pata, which you are supposed to derive in passive construction. Not active. If you were to make it active sentence, Kartari, Balaha, Slokam, Patati. You generally make it. That is what we studied so many classes. Balaha, Slokam, Patati. Now, Balena, Slokaha, Patyati. Balena, Trutiya, Sloka should go to Prathama. Balena, Slokaha, Patyati. So, likewise, let us go. Rama, Pata, Lik.
Ramena, Patam.
Pataha likhyati. Ramena pataha likhyati. Likhyati. Ramena pataha likhyati. Ramaha patam likati. Iti kartari prayoge. If we have to also recall the active voice, Ramaha patam likati. Ramena pataha likhyati. Good. Next.
Gopala Dhenu Chara. Gopalena Dhenu Charyate.
Charyate. Causal. Chara. Charyate. Gopalena Dhenu Charyate. That is Gopalaha Dhenum Charati. Gopalaha, active voice. Gopalaha Dhenum Charati means Gopal is grazing the cow. Charati means here grazing the cow. Next, Rohita Phala Khada.
Rohitena Phalam Khadyate.
Yes, very good. Rohitena Phalam Khadyate. Here in this Phala is Napumsaka. We know by our previous study. So, Rohitena Phalam Khadyate. Good. Rohitaha Phalam Khadati. Iti Kartari Prayogaha Bhavati. Chatur.
Sevaka Deepa Nirvapa.
Sevakena Deepaha Nirvapyate. Sevakena Deepaha Nirvapyate. Meaning the lamp is put out by the servant. The lamp is put out by the servant. Sevakena Deepa Shabda is Pullinga. Deepaha Nirvapyate.
Murkha Sajjana Ninda.
Murkhena
Sajjanaha Nindyate.
Sajjanaha Nindyate. Murkhena Sajjanaha Nindyate. A good person is criticized by a fool, blamed by a fool.
Murkha Sajjanam
Nindati. Murkha Sajjanam Nindati iti Kartari Prayoge. Karmani Murkhena Sajjanaha Nindyate. Sixth.
Yajamana Karya Such. Yajamanena Karyaha
Yes. No, karyam. Suchyate. Yajamanaha, make it kartari.
Yajamanaha karyam suchyate.
Yajamanaha karyam suchayati. Yajamanena karyam suchyati. We have already translated this several places. Work is shown or directed by the owner, something like that. 7.
Udyanapalaka lata sinch dhatu.
Sincha, it becomes Sichya.
Udyanapalakena lata
Sincha, Anya doesn't come here, Sichyate only, as it is. Sicha becomes Sincha in Kartari Prayoga. But in passive, we take the original root, therefore that is why it is given. Sich is given. Udyanapalakaha latam sinchati. Kartari prayoge etadeva vakyam udyanapalakaha latam iti dvitiya sinchati iti kriyapadam. Karmani udyanapalakena lata sichyate. Ashtama. Bhaktena namyate. Bhaktaha devam namati. Sadharana vakyam. Bhaktaha devam namati. Bhaktena devaha namyate. 9.
Balaka durguna tyaj. Balakena durgunaha
tyajyate. Everywhere you add yate. Balakena durgunaha tyajyate. Balakaha durgunam tyajati. Active voice. Balakaha durgunam tyajati. Voice is left by the boy. Voice is left by the boy. 10.
Lata sakhi suche. Lataya sakhi suchyate.
Yes. Lataya sakhi suchyate. Sakhi won't change. Lata sakhi, because of the Pratipadika is given. Lata sakhim suchayati. Lata sakhim suchayati. Lata is informing her friend. Friend is informed by Lata. Lataya sakhi suchyate. 11.
Rajaka vastra kshal. Rajakena
vastram kshalyate. Rajakena vastram shalyate. Rajakaha vastram kshalayati. Rajakena vastram kshalyate. 12 vakyam.
Sudha grantha patha.
Sudhaya grantha pathyati. Sudhaya grantha pathyati. Sudha grantham patati. Iti kartari prayoge. Sudha grantham patati. Karmani prayoge. Sudhaya grantha pathyati. 13. Chora. Chorena ghati choryati. Chorena ghati choryati. 14. If you make kartari, choraha ghatim chorayati. Choraha ghatim chorayati. 14.
Mahila deepa ni.
Mahilaya
deepaha
niyate. Yate. Add yate in passive. Niyate. If you were to make yadi kartari prayoge parivartanam karaniyam, jo mahila deepam nayati. Neenaya. Mahila deepam nayati. Mahilaya deepaha niyate. A lamp is carried by a woman. Woman carries the lamp. Lamp is carried by a woman. 15.
Chhatra niyama pal. Chhatrena niyamaha palyate.
Yes, chatrena niyamaha palyate. Chhatraha niyamam palayati. 16.
Nurupa praja
Raksha.
Nurupena
Praja
rakshyate.
Praja rakshyate. Yes, praja rakshyate. Prajam rakshati. Nrupaha prajam rakshati. Nrupena praja rakshyati. 17.
Yavasthapaka karyakrama avaloka.
व्यवस्थापकेन
कार्यक्रमः
अवलोक्यते
व्यवस्थापकः
कार्यक्रमम्
अवलोकयति
अवलोकयेत् व्यवस्थापकेन कार्यक्रमः अवलोक्यते फाइन 18
अर्चक
देव अर्च अर्चकेन देवः अर्च्यते
अर्चकः
देवम् अर्चति अर्चकः देवम् अर्चति इति कर्तरि अर्चकेन देवः अर्च्यते God is worshipped by the priest 19
छात्र पुस्तक
स्थाप
छात्रया
पुस्तकं
स्थाप्यते
ते
छात्रा
पुस्तकं स्थापयति छात्रा पुस्तकं स्थापयति छात्रया पुस्तकं स्थाप्यते a book is kept by a girl student विंशति
शिष्य कविता लिख शिष्येण कविता
लिख्यते शिष्येण कविता लिख्यते शिष्यः कवितां लिखति एवं परिवर्तनं मूलशब्दानां कर्मणि प्रयोगे परिवर्तनं सुलभ तरमिव दृश्यते अत्र वयम् इदानीं कृतवन्तः एतानि सर्वाणि अपि एतेषां मूलशब्दानां परिवर्तनं कर्मणि प्रयोगे कृतानि सन्ति नाउ यू कैन गो बैक shall we write you have to write it we'll do one more exercise and then write अभ्यास 196 श्रीनिवास यथोदाहरणं रूपाणि लिखत 25 write out this finish off okay but it won't take much time simple sentences right अभ्यास
194 sorry 195
yes we go here
number 1 रामेण पाठः लिख्यते
next
2 गोपालेन धेनुः चार्यते
next
रोहितेन
रोहितेन फलं किं क्रियते फलं खाद्यते yes
रोहितेन
oh चतुर सेवकेन
दीपः निर्वाप्यते
दीपः
निर्वाप्यते
yes
मूर्खेण सज्जनः निन्द्यते
निन्द्यते मूर्खेण सज्जनः निन्द्यते 6
यजमानेन
कार्यं
सूच्यते उद्यानपालकेन
उद्यानपालकेन लता
सूच्यते
सुनो
सिच्यते
शिच्यते वेट
भक्तेन
भक्तेन देवः
नम्यते
नम्यते
बालकेन
बालकेन
दुर्गुणः यज्यते
यस
लतया
लतया
सखी
सखी सूच्यते
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 रजकेन
रजकेन
वस्त्रं क्षाल्यते
क्षाल्यते
सुधया
सुधया
ग्रन्थं
किं दट् ग्रन्थः पुल्लिङ्ग ग्रन्थः
पठ्यते
पठ्यते कठिन
चोरेण
चोरेण
घटी
घटी
चोर्यते चोर्यते महिलया
महिलया
दीपः नीयते
छात्रेण
नियमः
नियमः
पाल्यते
पाल्यते नृपेण प्रजा
रक्ष्यते व्यवस्थापकेन
व्यवस्थापकेन कार्यक्रमः
अवलोक्यते
अवलोक्यते अर्चकेन देवः
अर्च्यते
छात्रया पुस्तकं
स्थाप्यते
स्थाप्यते
शिष्येण
शिष्येण
कविता लिख्यते
yeah. Is it visible with this ink? How is the ink? Okay. So, what are the लिख्यते चौर्यते चार्यते चार्यते खाद्यते निर्वाप्यते निन्द्यते सूच्यते शिच्यते नम्यते त्यज्यते सूच्यते क्षाल्यते पठ्यते चौर्यते नीयते पाल्यते रक्ष्यते अवलोक्यते अर्च्यते स्थाप्यते लिख्यते. लिखा I think has come 2 times.
2 times and even
सूचयसि. So लिखता तो द्विवारं तत्र आगतम्. इदानीं वयम् अग्रे सरामः. Move ahead. अभ्यासः 196. षण्णवति षण्णवत्युत्तर शततमः षण्णवति नवति षण्णवत्युत्तर शततमः अभ्यासः. Very difficult to say sometimes. अभ्यास 196. यथोदाहरणं रूपाणि लिखत. Now you write what is required here. Other 2 forms of the verb. For example, pathyate, pathyete, patyante. Very simple, like if you know Atmanepada derivation. Ramate, ramete, ramante. Labhate, labhete, labhante. Same way in passive. So, likhyate, likhyante. Gamyate,
गम्यते गम्यन्ते
त्यज्यते,
त्यजेते
त्यज्येते, वन्द्यते,
वन्द्येते वन्द्यन्ते
खाद्यते,
खाद्येते खाद्यन्ते
क्षाल्यते,
क्षाल्येते क्षाल्यन्ते
स्थाप्यते,
स्थाप्येते स्थाप्यन्ते
मिल्यते.
मिल्येते मिल्यन्ते.
What is milyate? Miller to meet. Milati. Milyate is met. Milyate, milyate. Jnayate.
ज्ञायते ज्ञायन्ते.
I hope you know the meaning, Srinivas. Likha you know, gam you know, tyaja you know, vanda you know, khada you know, kshala, wash, sthapa to place, mila to meet, jna to know. Okay. Dashama. Patyate, pata to fall. Patyate,
पत्येते
patyante. Gruhyate, gruha to take. Gruhyate, gruhyete, gruhyante. But in the book, yeah, gruha to accept, to hold, etc. In the answer book, Srinivas, there is some mistake. What is the mistake? Like Abhyasa 196, na? 11. Gruhyante, gruhyante, 2 times it is given. There is a mistake here in the 11th. Please note, those who are having books, gruhyate is given, na? The dual form is mistakenly given as gruhyante. Plural is given. Gruhyete. Gruhyate, because you know the order. Yeah. Gruhyete, gruhyante. Suchyate, suchyante. Sucha to indicate. Palyate,
palyete palyante.
Pala to protect. Chur to, this is choryate is stolen. Choryate,
choryate choryante.
milyate,
milyate milyante.
This is coming again.
Yeah.
Why repeated? Kathyate, kathyate,
kathyante.
kupyate,
kupyate kupyante.
kupa to be angry, kopa, kupyati. Dakhyate, daha to burn. Dakhyate, dakhyate, dakhyate. Dakhyate is burnt. Dakhyate iti deha. Deha is burnt. Gam dhatu, you know, gacchati. Gamyate,
gamyate gamyante.
pīdyate,
pīdyate pīdyante. सह्यन्ते
sahyate, saha to tolerate, sahyate,
सह्यते सह्यन्ते
ganyate,
गण्यते गण्यते to count no
yeah, gana to count, garjate, garja to roar, like meghaha garjanti, meghaha garjati, garjate,
गर्ज्यन्ते
we can say simhena garjati, in a different, not passive but in a different, we are going to see that bhave prayog. Then 24, chintyate, chinta to chintayati, to think,
चिन्त्यते
chintyante, garjyate, and then sichyate, we have already come across. Sichyate, sichyate, sichyante, very simple these are. I think even for writing, I don't think there is. Only one mistake that is there in the book, please make a note here. 11th one, gruhyate is okay. The dual form in the book is given as gruhyante, make a correction there, gruhyate and gruhyante, they go as per the previous one. And this is a very simple exercise. We move on to the next exercise, Abhyasa 197. Karmani prayoge karmana anusaram kriyapadasya prayogaha bhavati iti purvam muktam. So in passive voice it was indicated earlier that according to the object the verb will take the number. So tatra karma padam anusrutya, there in the passive voice, depending on the object, following the objective word, kriya padasya vachanadikam bhavati. So the verb takes its number depending on the object in passive voice. Like for example, balakaha pathan patanti. Balakaha pathan patanti. Boys are reading the lessons. Balakaihi pathaha pathyanti. Or no, this is not good. Balakaha pathan patati. Singular. Subject is singular in Kartari Prayoga. Balakaha, ekaha balakaha, pathan patati. When we convert this into passive voice, balakena pathaha patyante. This patati, which is singular in the active voice, is becoming plural in passive voice. In what? Keeping with what? In keeping with the patha shabda, which is plural in passive voice. Balakaha pathan patati. Okay. Balakena pathaha patyante. So that is what here is said. Tatra means karmani prayoge, karma padam anusrutya, following the karma pada, that is object, kriya padasya vachanadikam bhavati, we have noted. Yatha nirdesham karma padasya dvivachanantam bahuvachanantam va rupam yojayantaha karmani vakyani likata. Now you write the sentences either in dual number or plural number as per the number supplied in the bracket. 2 stands for dvitiya, 3 stands for bahuvachan. So udaharana is balena grantaha patta. Oh, grantha. So grantha should be used in vivachana. So balena grantau patyete. So this is another good exercise where number is given here to tell you. Balena grantau patyete. If you were to make it in Kartari Prayoga, balaha grantau patati. Balaha grantau patati. So you can start, Srinivas.
Tena devaha nam.
So deva should be no.
Deva.
Okay, no. Deva should be bahuvachana. So what the note said, if deva is bahuvachana, verb becomes bahuvachana in passive voice.
Tena devaha namyante.
That's it. Tena. Make it Kartari Prayoga. Saha devan namati. Saha devan namati. He salutes gods. Tena, by him. Devaha namyante. Gods are saluted by him. 2.
Balakena vakyam should be in plural.
Bahuvachana, that is what? Plural. So balakena vakyani. Vakyam vakye vakyani likhyante. That's balake. Same. Napumsaka, no problem. Na? Balakaha vakyani likhati. But in passive likhyante. Vakyani likhyante. Sentences are written by the boy. Third,
Taya
Geetam.
Geetaah.
No. Geetam is Napumsaka. Geetani.
Taya Geetani.
Giyante. Gai changes to gi and then yate. Yante. Taya Geetani Giyante. That is, songs are sung by her. Geetani, songs. Giyante are sung. Taya by her. Taya by her. Geetani, songs. The songs. Giyante are sung. So here,
Taya Geetani.
sa. Taya goes to Prathama, na? Sa Geetani Gayati. Sa Geetani Gayati. Taya Geetani Giyante. Gai becomes Gayati. 4.
Kavina.
Kavyam. Oh, Dvitiya. Kavye.
Kavye.
Rachyete. Rachyete. Rachyate. Rachyete. Rachyante. Kavina Kavye Rachyete. 2 poems are written by a poet.
Kavihi Kavye Rachyate.
Rachayati. Rachayati. Kavihi Kavye Rachayati in active voice. Kartari prayoge idameva vakyam kavihi kavye rachayati iti bhavati. Karmani prayoge tu kavina kavye rachyete. 4, 5.
Maya Balaah Suchyante.
Yes, Bala is given Trutiya here. Maya Balaah Suchyante. Aham Balan Suchayami. Balan Suchayami. I am indicating, telling the students. So, Maya Balaah Suchyante. Fine. 6.
Etena Lekhanyaah.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekhanyaah.
Kriyante. Yante. Etena Lekhanyaha Kriyante. Pens are bought by this person. Etena. Balakena. Understood. Eshaha Lekhani. Truti Bhagavacharna Lekhanihi Krinati. Eshaha Lekhanihi Krinati would be active voice. But I think it is okay, but are we confusing by doing both? No confusion, is there? Are you confused? Be clear. We are doing passive only. Saptami, Saptama Vakyam.
Adhyapakena Chhatre.
Chhatrau, Dvivachana. Pathyete. Pathyate, Pathyete. Adhyapakena Chhatrau Pathyete. Adhyapakaha, active voice. Adhyapakaha Chhatrau Pathayati. Pathayati. Pathyete. 8.
Janaihi Karyani
Kriyante. Janaihi Karyani Kriyante. Janaha Karyani Kurvanti. Iti Kartari Prayoga. In active voice, Janaha Karyani Kurvanti. Janaihi Karyani Kriyante. 9.
Maya Shabdaah
Chintyante. Yes. Tvaya Shabdaah Chintyante. Tvam Shabdan Chintayasi. Tvam Shabdan Chintayasi. Iti Kartari. Tvaya Shabdaah Chintyante. Dashama Vakya.
Vaidyena
Rogi, Roginau, Rogi, Roginaha. Drushyante. Vaidyena Roginaha Drushyante. Iti Karmani Prayoge. Vaidyena Roginaha Drushyante. Vaidyaha Roginaha. Roginaha only. Pashyati. Vaidyaha Pashyati. Iti Kartari Prayoge. 11. Balaya. Syutau. Kriyete. 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 Excuse me. Balaya Syutau Kriyete. 2 bags are bought by the girl. Bala Syutau Krinati. बाला स्यूतौ क्रीणाति इति कर्तरिप्रयोगे 11-12 ग्रन्थपालेन
ग्रन्थानि
नो ग्रन्थाः वितीर्यन्ते ग्रन्थपालेन by the librarian granthaah the books vitiriyante are distributed. Books are distributed by the librarian. Granthapala means here librarian, one who protects the books. So granthan vitarati, ग्रंथपालः ग्रंथान् वितरति इति कर्मणि कर्तरि प्रयोगे 13
सेवकेन
सस्यं नो सस्ये सस्यं सस्ये द्विवचन सेवकेन सस्ये रोप्येते सेवकेन सस्ये रोप्येते रोप्यते रोप्येते रोप्यन्ते the two crops are raised, two crops are raised by the servant. Then 14 सस्ये रोपयति
कृषकेण
वृषभौ पाल्येते कृषकेण वृषभौ पाल्येते कृषकः
वृषभौ
पालयति इति कर्तरि प्रयोगे 15
आरक्षकेण चोरौ गृह्येते
आरक्षकेण चोरौ गृह्येते गृह्यते गृह्येते गृह्यन्ते इति
आरक्षकः
चोरौ गृह्णाति चोरौ गृह्णाति इति कर्तरि प्रयोगे 16 वाक्यं
बालकेन
फले खाद्येते बालकेन फले खाद्येते बालकः फले खादति two fruits are eaten by the boy 17
सेविकया
पात्रे प्रक्षाल्येते so सेविका
पात्रे प्रक्षालयति
yes सेविका पात्रे प्रक्षालयति इति कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्मणि प्रयोगे सेविकया पात्रे प्रक्षाल्येते two utensils are washed by the maid servant 18
तेन बालौ ताड्येते
yes तेन बालौ ताड्येते सः
बालौ
ताडयति he beats up the boys two boys are beaten by him तेन बालौ ताड्येते 19
धनिकेन शुनकौ पोष्येते
पोष्येते धनिकेन शुनकौ पोष्येते
धनिकः
शुनकौ पोषयति so two dogs are nourished by a rich man or adopted by a rich man two dogs पोष्येते and the last one चालकैः
यानानि चाल्यन्ते
yes चालकैः यानानि चाल्यन्ते यानं याने यानानि चाल्यते चाल्येते चाल्यन्ते चालकैः by the drivers
चालकाः
यानानि चालयन्ति in the active voice चालकाः यानानि चालयन्ति the drivers drive the vehicles चालकैः by the drivers यानानि चाल्यन्ते yes we are going to write immediately how many 20 then change numbering need not be but in writing sometimes I am changing the ink now it doesn't take much time Yeah, abhyasa.
192.
7.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ekam.
Tena devaha namyante.
Tena devaha namyante. We will also repeat. The active would be saha tevan namati. Yeah, 2.
Balakena vakyani likhyante. Likhyante.
Balakena vakyani likhyante. बालकः वाक्यानि लिखति इति कर्तरि प्रयोगे 3. तया
गीतानि गीयन्ते.
गीतानि गीतं गीते गीतानि गीयते गीयते गीयन्ते गीयन्ते. Songs are sung by her. सा गीतानि गायति इति कर्तरि प्रयोगे. कविना काव्ये द्विवचनम्. कविना काव्ये रच्येते. रच्येते. कविः काव्ये रचयति. यस. मया
बालाः सूच्यन्ते.
बालाः सूच्यन्ते.
अहं बालाः सूचयन्ति.
अहं बालाः सूचयामि. 6. एतेन
लेखनीः क्रियन्ते.
लेखनीः क्रियन्ते. एषः लेखनीः स्टैंड सेम. क्रीणाति. 7.
अध्यापकेन छात्रौ
अध्यापकेन छात्रौ
पाठ्यते. अध्यापकः छात्रौ पाठयति.
अध्यापकः छात्रौ स्टैंड सेम. पाठयति. यस. 8. जनैः कार्यं कार्ये कार्याणि क्रियन्ते. क्रियन्ते.
जनाः कार्याणि कुर्वन्ति.
जनाः कार्याणि कुर्वन्ति. 9. त्वया शब्दः बहुवचन. शब्दाः चिन्त्यन्ते. शब्दान् त्वं शब्दान् चिन्तयसि. चिन्त्यन्ते. राइट. वैद्येन
रोगिणः दृश्यन्ते.
रोगिणः
दृश्यन्ते.
दृश्यन्ते.
वैद्यः
रोगिणः पश्यति. वैद्यः रोगिणः. रोगी रोगिणौ रोगिणः. रोगिणं रोगिणौ रोगिणः. Then here 11.
बालया स्यूतौ क्रियेते
क्रियेते क्रियते
बालास्यूतो
बालास्यूतौ क्रीणाति
ग्रन्थपालेन
ग्रन्थपालेन
ग्रन्थाः
ग्रन्थाः वितीर्यन्ते yes 13
ग्रन्थपालः ग्रन्थाः
पालेन ग्रन्थपालः ग्रन्थान् वितरति नेक्स्ट 13 सेवकेन सेवकेन सस्ये सेवकेन सस्ये सस्यं सस्ये रोप्येते रोप्येते
सेवकः
सस्ये रोपयति 14
कृषकेण वृषभौ
कृषकेण वृषभौ
पाल्येते
पाल्येते
कृषकः वृषभौ
पालयति कृषकः वृषभौ स्टैंड सेम पालयति 15
आरक्षकेण चोरौ
आरक्षकेण चोरौ
गृह्येते
चोरौ गृह्येते
आरक्षकः चोरौ
गृह्णाति 16
बालकेन
बालकेन
फले
फले
खाद्येते
खाद्येते
बालकः फले
खादति 17
सेविकया
सेविकया
पात्रे
पात्रं पात्रे 2 utensils
प्रक्षाल्येते
प्रक्षाल्येते पात्रे सेविका पात्रे प्रक्षालयति 18 तेन
बालौ
तेन बालौ
ताड्येते
सह बालौ ताडयति 19
धनिकेन शुनकौ
धनिकेन शुनकौ
पोष्येते
पोष्येते
धनिकः शुनकौ पोषयति
धनिकः शुनकौ पोषयति and the last one 20
चालकैः
यानानि चाल्यन्ते चालकाः यानानि चालयन्ति ओके विल टेक अप सुभाषित अत्र वयं स्थापयामः यः सुभाषितानि एकं वा द्वे वा सुभाषिते वयं पठामः Yeah, you can show them this Subhashita.
third one we have.
Yeah, third one. Is it there on the monitor?
Yeah. Can you read?
Yeah, you read please.
षट्कर्णौ भिद्यते
मंत्रश्चतुष्कर्णो स्थिरो भवेत्
तस्मात् सर्वप्रयत्नेन षट्कर्णं
वर्जयेत् सुधीः. This is from Panchatantra. I like this poem, and many may be knowing many. षट्कर्णो भिद्यते मंत्रश्चतुष्कर्णः स्थिरो भवेत् तस्मात् सर्वप्रयत्नेन षट्कर्णं वर्जयेत् सुधीः इति. So what is the, I sometimes give this sloka to elucidate, explain why there is dvivachana in Sanskrit. Why is dvivachana retained only in Sanskrit in the world languages? They say it was there in Latin. Latin is no more a living language now. They say it, I don't know, but Latin had dvivachana, but no other language in the world has dvivachana. We move from singular to immediately plural. Book, books, boy, boys, but pustakam, pustake, pustakani. Balakaha, balakau, balakaha. Why this dvivachana? Sometimes I give this poem to illustrate that whatever is one person is one person. Singular is singular. Two persons are two persons still. Two persons are also two individual, two persons in the sense they are not many. The concept in Sanskrit is once the number crosses dvivachana, it is bahuvachana. So we say bahushu bahuvachanam. If it is 3 means it could be 30 also. Crossing the dvivachana level. Whereas in other world languages, ekavachana and immediately bahuvachana. Singular and plural immediately comes. But here there is one step more, that is dvivachana. Why dvivachana? You see the poem. Shat karnaha, you break the sandhi. Shat karnaha, 6 years. 6 years means 3 people. Trayaha purushaha. Shat karnaha nama trayaha purushaha. Shat karnaha mantraha. Any secrecy, mantra here means secret. Any secrecy, any secret that is there amongst the 3 people, that is heard by 3 people, Srinivas. Any secret which is heard by 3 people. Bhidyate, this is passive. Bhida, to break, is broken. Understand? Any mantra, any secret which is heard by 3 people. Shatkarnaha mantraha bhidyate. Shatkarnaha bhidyate mantraha. There again Visarga Sandhi. Chatushkarnaha. The same mantraha, the same secrecy, the same secret, if it is between, among 4 years, means between 2 people. Chatushkarnaha. Chaturshu karneshu. Shrutaha mantraha. Sthitaha mantraha. The mantra which is there in 4 years. Isn't it? 4 years means 2 people. Sthiraha bhavet. It is very firmly, it is sthiro bhavet means it is very firm. It is a secret. Understand? What's between 2 people is firmly rooted, is kept as a secret. Sthiraha means here, it is firmly established as a secret only. What's between 2 people is a secret. The moment this secrecy passes to the 3rd person, you and me constitute dvivachana, right? Tvam, aham, avam. In Sanskrit, when the number is only 2, it is very safe. The moment the number crosses dvivachana, it is bahuvachana. And therefore it gets exposed. Shat karnaha mantraha bhidyati. Chatush karnaha sthiro bhavet. Understand?
Yeah.
So what is in between two people is safe. The moment it is known to third party, third person, it is exposed. And tasmat, therefore, sarva prayatnena, by all means. What is the Shastra saying? By all means. Shat karnam varjayet sudhihi. An intelligent person, sudhihi, panditaha, buddhiman, prajnaha, shat karnam varjayet, duri kuryat. A intelligent person therefore should avoid, varjana means here avoid, keep off a secret being exposed, known to three people. So what should an intelligent person do? In order to keep the secret as a secret, he should keep away the third person. Shat karnam varjayet sudhihi. See, any mantra, diksha is given, it is between two people, not many people. Three people won't be there. When the Guru gives diksha, he gives mantra to the Shishya, there are only two people. Mantra here could be a religious mantra could be a secrecy also. But here in Panchatantra, it is a secret. A wonderful poem which is telling you that. So this is where Dvivachana is useful in Sanskrit. And also in our prayers, Sahanau, Bhunaktu, when we are saying, may both of us, myself and the teacher. So for that we have the retention of Dvivachana. It cannot be otherwise. Is it okay, Srinivas? Any highlight? Vidyate is passive. Mantraha vidyate, vidadatu, minatti, etc. Next you can go to.
Yeah. Vidya shastrasya shastrasya dve vidhe
Pratipattaye.
Adya hasyaya
Vruddhatve.
Vidiyadriyate
Sada. Dvitiyad. Vidya shastrasya shastrasya dve vidye pratipattaye. Adya hasyaya vruddhatve. Dvitiyadriyate sada. So this poem says, now the passive is, I made it highlighted, that bold. Adriyate. Dvitiya plus adriyate. A upasarga purvakat. Dru iti dhatuhu tatra. Dru adarane. Adarane. Driyate. It becomes adriyate. Vidya is of two types, this poem says. Shastrasya vidya, shastrasya vidya. Dve vidye, pratipattaye. They bring about one's fame, whatever. Two educations are there which bring about, two types of vidyas are there which bring pratipatti, means your fame, name, whatever it is. One is Shastra Vidya, Anya Vidya, Shastra Vidya. Now there is a difference between this, the poem says. Adya, that is, Adya means the first one. Adya nama atra shastrasya vidya hasyaya bhavati vruddhatve. Vruddhatve, in old age, shastra vidya hasyaya kalpate. It brings about laughter. An old man trying to teach, so people will laugh. Old man teaching how to use the sword, or how to use an arrow, or how to shoot a bullet. It becomes laughable in old age. Adya shastra vidya vruddhatve hasyaya bhavati iti arthaha. Dvitiya shastra vidya adriyate. It is respected. Sada. It is always respected. The more older you are, the more respected your science, Shastra Vidya. So Shastra Vidya. Dvitiya Shastra Vidya, Shastrasya Vidya, Adriyate, Pujyate, Sada, Sarvakalam Pujyate, Sada Pujyate. Prathama Adya Hasyaya Bhavati Vruddhatve. When you become old, however skilled you may be, you can. So there is a difference shown here between these two types of Vidyas, Shastra Vidya and Shastra Vidya. A upasarga dru dhatu, dru driyate. Dru means adarana, respecting. Adriyate means pujyate. Dvitiya pujyate sada. This is also passive voice. So today learned two good poems. विद्या शस्त्रस्य शास्त्रस्य द्वे विद्ये. वै द्वे विद्ये? विद्या इज स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. विद्या विद्ये विद्याः. सो न्यूमरल द्वे. द्वे विद्ये प्रतिपत्तये. प्रतिपत्ति इज इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द लाइक मतये, प्रतिपत्तये, कीर्तये, आद्या हास्याय वृद्धत्वे. So that you can understand the whole poem now. Shubham Bhuyat.